Okay, my plan here is to make a small bowl with a bark rim around it. I got to cut this. This will be the top. So I'm going to cut this off, not cut it off flush, but machine it off flush. Then shape it in. I'm going to leave, half an inch to 3/4 of an inch of bark. I may curve it just to expose internal layers of the bark so you can see the dark light, whatever stuff's going on. It's a couple inches thick here, 2 3/4 here. So this will take off 3/4 of an inch maybe. And then I'm going to put a mortise, a very small mortise. And then I got to hit this with a wire brush to get rid of some of this lichen. This has been sitting around in the garage. It's a cutoff from, I made something else. I couldn't tell you what. It's probably somewhere in amongst all my videos. But in any case, this is what I'm going to work with. Okay, you can kind of see in this view that I added coffee grounds to a hole in the inside. It was definitely making me jump because it was catching the tools. And I thought I had repaired it, but I guess when I put it in from the other side, it never was deep enough. I didn't get it all the way down to where this hole is. I put it in from this side and that side, I think. No, just this side. And it never got deep enough, and so it wasn't filling. So it is now. You can kind of see it there a little bit. But in any case, I'm going to flatten that off with the tool, and then it should be just about done. Except for finish and, well, sanding. Okay, here is a simple oak bowl with a live edge rim. It was small and quick. I did this in not very long at all. The video should be pretty short. And overall, it turned out pretty nice. It's got tung oil finish, and it's got about a 3/4 of an inch of live edge at the top, and then everywhere else is machined with the lathe. No natural edge anywhere. I had to fill the middle. There was a big hole in the base of it that went all the way through in the pith. So I filled it with coffee grounds and super glue. That's about it. So it was very easy to do. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.